And I got called out last Wednesday.
Class Mamians. I don't think I can do this in
You got a
class.
ticket again here, though. All right.
Okay, so it is currently almost 1:30. Here's some context of what's keeping me up all night right now. Now, light number 1, light number 2. So yeah, it only just started now, and so far it's just been doing that. It's like circular movement or something like that. So yeah, might as well just make the tutorial while I can, because I have some other stuff to do, I guess later today, because I can't say tomorrow. You already read the title, so let's just get started. Yeah. I probably shouldn't have done this while I'm tired and there's demons in my ceiling. What gives, I guess? I don't know. After opening After Effects, open a composition using an existing video file. Unlike in my case where I was rudely interrupted, in that case, just click that button, I guess. Oh yeah, make sure to not have any frames that could do this. My eyes are getting so difficult to keep open. Early 9, I still need to wake up. Okay, everything froze. I don't know what's going on. Alright, time to rush. Haha. Who is banging on my wall? Dude, it's just... Once your tracking's done, it should look like this. First, you're gonna need the two files, import and export. That way you can move your tracking data into Blender. Well, yeah, we're gonna be using that. What do you expect? It was in the title or thumbnail. Definitely not the description, because nobody reads that, I guess. That's sad to know. Hope you install the export script before doing all this already. Else, if not, just go ahead and do it and restart with the save file. You can delete it later, you won't need it. After that, go to open Blender. Go to edit, preferences, go to add-ons, click install. Don't bother restarting. Go to file, imports, click on this thing. Double click on your tracking data. After that, it may take a sec, or maybe a bit longer, depending on how long your tracking thing is. Don't bother, try editing it. Press num0 to go to the camera view. You're gonna need it. Remember the footage you used? Yeah, you're gonna need that too. Click on the camera itself. In the properties panel, you should see a green camera icon. Oh no, it's not gonna automatically show in the render. Go back to the file and check the size. Click settings and then just adjust the pixels so that way it matches the thing. After that, just add all your elements in and start messing around. Almost forgot to mention there's still a little bit more to go. In the rendering panel, make sure to scroll down to film and tick transparent. Please go to compositing and make sure to tick use node. Add an alpha over node. I made this mistake, make sure to put the render. Add a movie clip node connected to the top part. I don't know why it's backwards, but it is. One last time, find the video file, add a viewer node, and connect it to where the composite is. I promise it works. Control F12 and let it render. Fun. So much for that speed. This is real time. Yeah, rendering is not so fun now, is it? Don't get me started on cycles renders.